8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is just 6. And again, we have here 8 minus 3. So we have 6 times 6, which equals 36. This answer is not correct, because upon to the Internet of Operations, which is Pemdas, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here, we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and these parentheses. In Pemdas, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. Okay? And after this parentheses, we have to do this multiplication, and finally we have to do this subtraction. So first, this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6. So we have 8 minus 2 times 6. No, we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. In Pemdas, multiplication comes, we have for subtraction. So, in this set, we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 6 gives us 12. So we have 8 minus 12, which equals -4. That means our final answer to this problem is just -4.